how to revoke permissions in Metamask. So if you want to revoke permissions in Metamask, first of all, if I open up a help topic from metamask.io themselves, you can see it gives me a couple of instructions on how I can revoke smart contract allowances and token approvals. Now, first of all, smart contract or token allowances, also referred to as approvals, involve you allowing DApps to access and move token in your wallet on your behalf. When you use a DEX or DEX, which is decentralized exchange, for example, you'll need to sign an approval that allows its smart contract to take tokens to complete your requested trades. Now, what you have to do is, if you want to revoke an approval or allowance, you can read here, means a DApp can no longer access the contents of your wallet and move them around, right? So to revoke your approvals, you can see a certain instructions. You can see you can head over first of all to the approval checker section of your blocker for the network you're using. For example, maybe Etherscan or BSC scan or Polygon scan all have an approval checker function. You can use a platform such as Revoke, Unrect, Approved.zone, CoinTool, Beefy.finance, or EverRevoke. And you can use Metamask to override existing token as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.